All right. From our collection, we're proud to offer our 1957 Thunderbird Roadster. It is finished in colonial white, which was code E, with red interior, and it underwent a comprehensive restoration. The options include automatic transmission, the Ford-O-Matic, power steering, power window lifts, power seats, AM/FM radio, which was not the original radio, but the dash has not been altered, but it is AM/FM with the MP3 hookup. Has the padded dashboard, the deluxe interior, the Thunderbird scripted floor mats, tinted windows. The clock is in op. It does have the original colonial white porthole hardtop and behind the seat is the white soft top. Other options include a beautiful set of chrome Kelsey Hayes styled wire wheels with Thunderbird spinners, wide white wall radial tires from Coker's, which are very fresh, dual exhaust system which comes through the rear bumper ports, and if you look down the sides of the T-Bird, it is as straight as an arrow. The paint on it is absolutely beautiful. It is a base coat, clear coat. The trunk compartment is finished beautifully with the correct material. As you can see, the rubber molding around the trunk as well as the rest of the car has all been updated. It has the original jack tire arm, and the original spare is mounted on another beautiful Kelsey Hayes wire wheel. So it actually has 5 Kelsey Hayes styled wire wheels. It has the included is the original jacking instructions and the original jack with the tire iron. Moving down the side, you see the lovely fender skirts, which really finishes the car. The 57s did come with the vents, which open for additional ventilation on both sides of the car. We also have the owner's manual, which is included. The engine is the 312D code, which is the Thunderbird special engine, which comes with the 4-barrel carburation and the dual exhaust system. The engine compartment, as you can see, has been finished to show quality and is absolutely beautiful. There's a cutoff switch on the battery, as well as the original style hose clamps on the hoses. The Ford scripted hoses are on it, and the original glass fuel bowl. Further, here's the reservoir, the original reservoir for the windshield washer system. Well, it's got to be in neutral to start. All right.